Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw something every single day. So today we are going to draw the super cute new little grass cat Pokemon called Sprigatito. So let's see, I'm going to take a pencil, I'm going to draw him out with my pencil first, and then I'm going to go over it with a black marker and then add some color. And let's get started. I'm going to start with the eyes. So they're going to be two ovals. So one there. And one there. And inside those, we're going to do a shape like this. So it's like we made a smaller oval inside. And then same over here. And then we're going to do a circle. Same in the other one. And then one last oval. And then same over here. So we can color in that last oval dark. If you want to wait until the end to do any of that coloring whatsoever, you can. It's up to you. Alright, so we got the eyes done. But now in the middle, we're going to do a little upside down triangle for his nose. Like that. And now a little bit down here, we're going to do a little shape kind of like a wave for his little mouth. And he's got a little tooth and another little tooth. Little pointy fangs. And then we're gonna bring down that mouth. And his mouth is wide open and we can see his tongue. Like that. Now, top of his head, we're gonna do a curve at the top of the head. And then he's got two pointy ears. Inside those pointy ears, we have another triangle shape. And Sprigatito has an interesting shape on his face. So we've got like a triangle right here. And same over on this side. And then right here at the top of the eye in the middle, we're going to come up. And then we're going to come on down in the middle, right here. And then we're going to come on out this way. And then come on down. Like that. And now this lines up with the little mouth. So we can extend our little mouth lines and bring them up to the eyes. All right, so now he's got some little face fluffs. So let's do a curve like this and bring it on in. And then we'll do one right here like that. He's got one more and it's just the same as this, but opposite. It's gonna curve down. Okay, and now we can do a curve here for the bottom of the face. And we're going to do the same kind of floof over here on this cheek. So curves up, comes on down. One little one in the middle. And then it curves opposite of the first one. Okay. So now he's got a little bit of neck fluff. So he's got 3 little bits. So he's got 1, 2, and 3. And now we've got some more neck fluff. So we're gonna do a shape like that. Same on the other side. And then we can do one in the middle like this. And then do one like that. And same over on the other side. All right, so now he needs 2 little front legs. A little line down. And his little paws are just like teeny tiny little paws. There's nothing to them. They're really cute. Another front leg. And we do a little line here in the middle. And then we can slant here the body. And do a little line here for his little waist. And then we can bring this back leg down a little bit. And then connect. And then we've got another one in the back. And now a tail. So it's a big floofy tail. So it's got like a little point right there. And that comes on in. And then we can have another little piece of fluff right here. And then connect it there to his little bottom. All right, folks, so I can go over my lines with a black marker and then erase some of my pencil markings, and then I'm going to add some color. All right, folks, so we are all done our picture. And I hope you had fun drawing along. I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, bye!